Smartivity hydraulic plane launcher. Fly planes with hydraulic power. Sustainable material 6 plus. Build launch plane. Science, technology, engineering, maths. That's 10 for STEM. Smartivity hydraulic plane launch. Choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years. Suffocation hazard, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep bags away from babies and children. Contain long cord. Caution, do not aim at eyes or face. Adult supervision required. Discard scrap after use. Have you ever wanted to launch paper plane through a machine? With this kit, your child will build their very own hydraulic powered plane launcher. Your child will then fill water into the syringe, load a paper plane and a soft missile into the launcher and press the syringe with the watch the launcher rise and thrust plane and missile into the air. The kit comes with easy to follow instructions, stamp concept explanation and experiment that your child can do independently. Learn about aerodynamic hydraulic system, Scissor Mechanism. Inside the box, 2 colorful sheet and 2 wooden sheet, 2 plastic syringe, 10 sheet to make airplane, 87 loose part including rubber bands. It increases attention span. It is a screen-free play, build love for science, enhances creativity too. Non-toxic and safe, environment friendly. Please note this product is made from toxic-free, re-engineered wood and it's susceptible to mildew. Keep away from the moisture and in a dry place. Actual product of the color may vary. This is pretend play STEM educational building activity. And they have shown an image. Hydraulic power. Missiles. Marketed and manufactured by Smartivity, Gurgaon. Commodity toy, net quantity 1U. Product name hydraulic plane launcher. MRP is rupees 849. Month of manufacture they have mentioned over here. This is a main in India. For feedback and customer, they have given number and email ID. Pass go missing. We have got you. I mentioned here. Here the other syringe and they have given the hydraulic plane launcher instruction booklet too.